Yo, what up? In this video I'm going to go over how we do this brick. We clean some brick, and there's some pretty cool time lapse later on in the video. Stick it through, all the way through. And if you haven't already, check out our website, teamwashlife.com. Join our Facebook group, Team Wash Life. It's Team Wash Life all day, baby. Also, if you're interested, I got them 8 little systems for sale. One of them is a lifetime membership, so I always make tweaks to it, and it's a lifetime membership. You can view it, you can see all my changes in pricing and how we answer phones and all that stuff. It's pretty cool. 99 bucks for all of them. Peace! Is it? Okay. What's up, everybody? It's yours truly, Mr. Lang. Today we're out here doing a brick factory. So we already cleaned up a lot of it. But basically what I'm doing is using my soft wash pump, my roof pump, and I'm just cleaning this like a roof. Maybe a little bit less strong, but basically just spraying it on just like a roof. Focusing on the really dark spots, we'll really blast those, but overall everything else doesn't look bad, so we're just giving it a light coat. Over here you'll see, like, this is more of the rough spots. There's some of the real organic growth. There's vertical stains like down there we've already treated. But like when I come up to stuff like this, I just kind of nuke it like this. I just really coat it on heavy. They're over there dropping stuff. And then I just keep carrying on. Okay, so even up here on the second story, you see there's like a vent hole or something where water's coming out. Not a vent hole, but like it's probably where the downspout is considered, just the flat roof. So we'll lay it on real heavy. The beauty about brick is you can just spray this on and walk away. We don't even have to rinse it if we don't want to. But we'll once we get this all coated, we'll go through with the power washer and kind of help lift off anything that didn't come off. We might even throw a second coat on some of the real tough spots. But that's it for brick. Just spray it on, the light coat will help kind of brighten the grout, any like little imperfections that you're not noticing at first glance, and then just really hone in on the tougher spots, like over here. So I'm going through and doing the whole, like what I can reach with the fan tip, and then there's probably 5 or 6 feet that I can't reach. So I'll just use my 2-story and just kind of, go like that all the way down, covering the stuff I couldn't reach with the fan tip. It's turning out great, boys. That's it. We're going to get back to work. Yo, what up everybody? If you've made it this far, you are a real Team Wash Life savage. Appreciate it, y'all. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, click subscribe on the channel. We're almost hit 7K at this time of recording. Visit our website, teamwashlife.com. Lots of goodies over there. Go check it out. Peace.